Hi, and welcome back to Rain or Shine Gardening. I'm Katie, and today we are apple picking. So we are at Beilke Farms. It's just outside of Salem, Oregon. And we are here bright and early on the weekend to get some nice fresh apples picked. And there's definitely a lot to choose from. The trees are loaded. It's going to be a really great day. It's not going to be too hot. Um, and we're in sweatshirts this morning. Nice, crisp, maybe our first foggy morning so far, too, so far this season. So definitely feels like we should be out picking apples. And yeah, we're going to see what else is here. So not only do they have rows and rows and rows of different varieties of apples, but they also have pumpkins, they have cut flowers, watermelon, tomatoes. So we'll go see what we can find here at the farm today. One of the things I really like about coming here to pick apples is they do a really nice job of telling you which apples are ripe and ready to be picked off the trees. So you're not out searching for things that you shouldn't be that aren't quite ready. So they do a really nice job of this. And then they also have, I'll show it on the screen. They have a board that shows all of the different types of apples and then what they're good for. So it might be good for making pies or applesauce or fresh eating, or particularly good for storage. So they have a really great sign that lets you know the map of the orchard and then lets you know which varieties are good for which purpose. All right, I think we are all done with picking our apples at this point. So now we're walking over to some of the other fields to see what they have. From here, I can see some signs for pumpkins and tomatoes, and they have a lot of cut flowers this year. So we are just going to go explore, and I will take you along with me. And that's a wrap on our apple picking for the year. We had a great time here at Beilke Farms. We went through and picked all of our apples to begin with, mostly Jana Gold, some Honeycrisp, but we love making applesauce, and Jana Golds are great for that. We did wander around the pumpkin patch, and we looked at the tomatoes and the cut flowers. They have so many dahlias and really beautiful cut flowers this year too. So if you are in the Salem, Oregon area or even nearby in Portland, it's worth the drive. We got this whole bag of apples for $18, so you really can't beat the prices here too. So that is it for our apple picking and fall adventure today on this beautiful Saturday. And rain or shine, we'll see you next time.